Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
What are you doing now?
I am reading a book.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept well.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept well.
Are you busy today?
No, I am free today.
Are you busy today?
No, I am free today.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate bread and eggs.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate bread and eggs.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like cough.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like cough.
Where are you going?
I am going to the market.
Where are you going?
I am going to the market.
Can I help you?
Yes, please help me.
Can I help you?
Yes, please help me.
What time is it?
It is 4 o'clock.
What time is it?
It is 4 o'clock.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am very happy.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am very happy.
What are you studying?
I am studying English.
What are you studying?
I am studying English.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Where do you live?
I live in Addis Ababa.
Where do you live?
I live in Addis Ababa.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am free tomorrow.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am free tomorrow.
Do you want to go for a walk?
Yes, that sounds good.
Do you want to go for a walk?
Yes, that sounds good.
What are you watching?
I am watching a movie.
What are you watching?
I am watching a movie.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Are you hungry?
Yes, a little.
Are you hungry?
Yes, a little.
Let's eat something.
That's a good idea.
Let's eat something.
That's a good idea.
How was your day?
It was very good.
How was your day?
It was very good.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am a little tired.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am a little tired.
Can you help me with this?
Sure, I can help you.
Can you help me with this?
Sure, I can help you.
Do you understand the lesson?
Yes, I understand.
Do you understand the lesson?
Yes, I understand.
Can you repeat that?
Of course.
Can you repeat that?
Of course.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where do you want to go?
I want to visit Ethiopia.
Where do you want to go?
I want to visit Ethiopia.
Nice talking with you.
Nice talking with you too.
Nice talking with you.
Nice talking with you too.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Have a nice day.
You too.
This is Duna Academy. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next video.